Welcome to StevenLabel. For more than 50 years, StevenLabel has served Fortune 500 customers worldwide, as well as hundreds of mid-sized manufacturers in the 13 western states, representing a wide variety of industries, including medical, consumer and industrial electronics, automotive, and aerospace. Our roots go back to the technical manufacturing that propelled California's growth in the post-war years. This included proudly doing work for NASA in the 60s. In fact, our labels traveled to the moon aboard Apollo 11.
It's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind.
That spirit of innovation is among our core values, under the direction of Steve Stong, president of StevenLabel, who led a group that bought the company in 1986.
If there was just one thing that I wanted our customers to understand about us, it would be for them to understand our customer service strategy. We made a decision back in the 1990s to automate the way we process orders. And that was before it was even fashionable. We realized we had information that other people didn't have, and we wondered whether it made sense for us to give that information to customers. So we asked ourselves, does it make sense to allow our customers to know exactly where their order is at every point in time? Do we want to give customers the ability to expedite orders directly on the website? We always came down on the side of giving the information to the customer. This is not typical. It puts them in the driver's seat, and it forces us to do a better job. We're okay with that.
Our product line begins with overlays and labels for durable products. We use hundreds of different materials, such as polycarbonate, combined with screen, flexo, and offset printing to meet performance demands for durable goods that need to last for decades. Our graphic overlays and labels are on blood monitoring devices, Pool&Spa equipment, tools, televisions, automobiles, and a never-ending list of high-tech devices. We work hand in hand with customers at every phase in the product lifecycle: design, prototyping for testing and early presentation, pilot runs during scale-up, and high-volume production. Our engineering experience in precision screen printing has contributed to our success in the design and manufacturing of membrane switches and the manufacturing of specialized circuits used in biomedical applications, both for glucose measuring and transdermal drug delivery. StevenLabel operates a facility dedicated to roll label printing of all types, flexographic, hot stamp, and digital, focused on the demanding needs of medical device and pharmaceutical manufacturers. ISO procedures assure copy integrity, material traceability, and the lowest possible defect rates, an absolute necessity when serving this industry. In addition, new high-speed digital presses are providing unprecedented flexibility and lower costs for products of this type.
We have the ability to select the most economic printing process. We're large enough to have any number of tools so that we can choose the press that makes sense. Should it be digital? Should it be flexo? Should it be some other printing method? We're going to be able to choose the one that's sort of the world-class process for what it is that we're manufacturing for the customer.
Our Gold Coast division serves the packaging industry with high-quality prime labels for customers in wine, food, cosmetics, and other packaged goods. Indigo printing allows us to handle large volumes of copies with unprecedented resolution. This combines with special hot stamping, embossing, and specialized materials to yield award-winning designs on retail shelves. Now we head just across the border to Mexico. Our facility there allows us to make high-volume, labor-intensive products and deliver them inexpensively. Also, it gives us the ability to serve scores of maquiladora manufacturers that operate within miles of our plant in Tijuana. This eliminates the time and expense of border crossing and customs. Our team in Mexico contributes significantly to our ability to serve customers. Both Mexico and U.S. facilities are ISO 9000 approved. Our internal systems are adaptable, so we can react quickly, improving systems and making corrections in minutes, not days. These systems provide the process control and documentation essential to sophisticated customers and form the basis of our unique approach to quality control.
We have an internal philosophy, which is we measure everything. What we realize is, and this is sort of our little watchword, if you will, if we measure it, we can make it better. If we don't measure it, our performance is going to degrade. We're really big on developing metrics that help us do a better job for the customer. Now, that translates into lower cost because we're watching our costs, we're performing against standard. Everything that we're doing, we're measuring. And when we measure it, we get better. Those lower costs get passed on to our customers.
Innovation, technology, customer focus. StevenLabel and Gold Coast are committed to excellence, and we look forward to working together.